suffering from knee pain due to gout. In this video, we'll explore 3 effective ways to alleviate knee pain gout. So let's dive right in. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Way 1. Dietary Changes. Our first way involves making targeted dietary changes to manage gout-related knee pain. Limit the consumption of high purine foods, such as red meat, organ meats, and certain seafood, as they can exacerbate gout symptoms and contribute to knee pain. Opt for a diet rich in low purine foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products, to help reduce inflammation and support better joint health. Way 2. Hydration and fluid intake. Maintaining adequate hydration and fluid intake is crucial for managing gout-related knee pain. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out uric acid and prevent its accumulation in the joints, which can contribute to gout flare-ups and knee discomfort. Limit the consumption of sugary beverages and alcohol, as they can dehydrate the body and increase the risk of gout attacks, leading to heightened knee pain and inflammation. Way 3. Lifestyle adjustments. Implementing certain lifestyle adjustments can significantly alleviate knee pain caused by gout. Maintain a healthy body weight through regular exercise and physical activity, as excess weight can exacerbate gout symptoms and put added strain on the knee joints. Practice stress reduction techniques, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to manage stress levels, as heightened stress can trigger gout flare-ups and increase knee pain. Ensure you get sufficient rest and prioritize quality sleep to support the body's natural healing processes and reduce inflammation, promoting better overall gout management and knee pain relief. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.